If you want to go around and get quickly started with a project, then what you can also do is you can utilize some templates. So to do that, you can go around onto File right here and then go around onto New. And over here, you can see that there are templates on the left hand side. If I were to go around over here, then you can enable out the symbol, disable out the symbol, and this is the photo that you have right here. Similarly, you can go around and disable out the photo as well, and you got some templates as you can see. You can go around and select a template that you want right here, and then you can go around and easily edit out the template according to how you want right here. Apart from that, you can go around onto File, and then you can also go to New right here, and then there are different templates as you can see right here. So if I were to go around with photo right here, then you can see that I have the keywords road right here, and road related photo actually is there on the template. Let me just go around and remove out, and you got random photos right here. So let's just go around and say animals right here, just like this, and press enter, and then you got animals related template as you can see right here. Let me just go around onto house, and then what happens is that you got house related templates right here. So I can simply go around over here and select, let's say for example, this template right here, and I can simply go ahead and make changes to this, and then I can make changes to the background right here, just like this, and so forth as you can see right here. Make changes to the multiple layers that you have right here. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize templates inside of Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.